Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of products that make life a little easier. Today, we're talking about what we believe are the best waterproof mittens for girls this winter, the American Trends Toddler Mittens. Whether you're looking to keep your little one warm on a snowy adventure or just during the chilly school run, these mittens might be just what you need. Let's start with why they stand out. These mittens are designed with a perfect balance of warmth, comfort, and practicality. The moment you pick them up, you can feel the quality. They're made from a blend of fleece and acrylic fibers that are soft to the touch, while also giving off that thick, durable feel you want in winter gear. Inside, the mittens have a warm polar fleece lining, which helps trap heat and keeps tiny fingers cozy no matter how low the temperature dips. But what truly makes these mittens shine is their waterproof outer layer. It's not just splash resistant, it's built to keep out the snow and moisture that usually ruins the fun. Whether your toddler is building snowmen, sledding, or just walking to school, these mittens are made to keep hands dry through it all. Combine that with the breathable material and you've got a glove that doesn't trap sweat either, which is a big win for kids who love to run around non-stop. Sizing is another thoughtful feature here. These mittens come in two sizes, small for 2 to 4-year-olds, and medium for kids aged 5 to 10. That means you can find the right fit without guessing too much. And speaking of fit, putting these on is a breeze. The wide opening allows for an easy slip-on experience, and once they're on, there's an adjustable Velcro strap at the wrist. This helps you tighten the glove to your child's wrist and prevents snow from sneaking in. The design is both functional and fun. We've been showing the pink fox style throughout this video. It's adorable and eye-catching, perfect for girls who love a little personality in their winter wear. But they also come in a variety of colors and patterns, so you're not stuck with just one look. Another small but important detail is how lightweight the mittens feel, even with all that insulation. Your child can still move their hands freely, pick things up, and play naturally without feeling weighed down. That's something you don't always get with thick, insulated gloves. From a parent's perspective, the fact that they're hand-washable is a bonus. After a snowy day out, a quick rinse and air dry is all it takes to get them back in action. To sum it up, these American Trends mittens aren't just cute, they're practical, well-designed, and made for real winter weather. They combine warmth, water resistance, and comfort in a way that many toddler mittens simply don't. That wraps up today's review on Product Critique. If you're shopping for your daughter, niece, or any toddler girl this winter, we highly recommend giving these a try. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you out, and subscribe for more honest reviews on must-have products. See you in the next one.